career is not growing as you expected, or you're a little tired of your career not going anywhere, or you feel a little stuck in your career, or your career has literally died, then there is still a chance for you to reinvent your career in 3 months with my step-by-step process. The number one mistake that I see professionals make in any of these given situations is to lose all hope, accept the reality, and just be in it. The first step to reinventing your career in 3 months is to analyze what is wrong, what is not working for you, what is making you feel hopeless. Is it your work-life balance that you're struggling with? Is it a toxic boss or the work environment? Reflect on this, and to take it to the next level, write it down, prepare a list. In order to help you understand this, let me give an example. Gauri, a student from my career transformation program, did not like the career that she was in. It had limited earning and growth potential. She also did not enjoy the job that she was doing. On top of all this, she was going through a bad marriage. She was unable to file a divorce as she did not earn enough at that time to live separately. Shruti, another student from the career transformation program, had an overload of work. This was because her team was understaffed and had a high rate of attrition. She also had to do HR related work, whereas she was hired to create training content. She was also working 11 to 12 hours every day, including weekends.
As if this was not enough, she would not get her salary on schedule. Some months her salary was delayed, and some months only 50% of salary was being paid as her company had cash flow issues.
During the analyze step, Gauri and Shruti got a lot of clarity as to what was making the situation hopeless. This is what they did in their next step. But before that, if you are serious about your career and need help with writing your resume with respect to the profile summary, skills, work experience, then I share all of this in the Breakthrough Resume course, which is a recorded training. You can take this course at your preferred time and pace. You can access this course from the link given in the description box below. Once you have analyzed the problem area, the next step to reinventing your career in 3 months would be to identify what is it that you wish for. What is the end result that will make you happy? Is it a job change, a salary hike, a promotion, change of job location? What is it? I realized that she not only had to change to a high-paying job, but also make a career in something that she loves about. Anything that she can do for the next 10 to 15 years. This would give her room and confidence to walk out of her matrimonial home. Gauri realized that she had a lot of work to do. If you want to know how to transition your career, then watch this video next. Gauri, my student, followed the exact same procedure. I will leave a link to this video in the description box below and also at the end of this training. She understood that she needs to join a company that did not have cash flow issues and the one which would pay her salary regularly. She also wanted to be in a company which respected boundaries and work-life balance. All this along with enhancing her profile as a training content creator. Analyzing and identifying should not take you longer than 1 week. If needed, take help from others. The next step to reinventing your career in 3 months is to research once you have analyzed and identified. Is it that you need to take a new course or get a certification? Do you need to list out the names of ideal companies you want to work in? How do you transition your career, etc.? Gauri always wanted to be in the IT field. She had done her bachelor's in computer applications but was pursuing a different career altogether till now. She started researching various computer institutions and the courses that they offer so that she could pick up from where she had left. She was also researching the IT skills which would give her a lucrative job. This step was a highly crucial one. Gauri spoke to a lot of professionals from the IT industry to understand the key skills that the recruiters are looking for. She finally found an institute and enrolled into their software testing course for 2 months. Shruti wanted to pursue a career in content development. She wanted to live in Bangalore and did not want to change her city for a new job. She started researching which companies in Bangalore would be interested in her profile. She started making a list of all those companies. Researching should take you a maximum of 1 week, which means that by now you would have utilized 2 weeks to understand how to reinvent your career. The next step to reinventing your career is to execute now that you have analyzed, identified, and researched what you need to do. You should not delay this step. Gauri quickly signed her for her IT course and started attending her classes. She would be thorough with her concepts and work really hard to be well versed in them. On the other hand, Shruti updated her resume, LinkedIn, profiles on job search portals, started applying to jobs, and preparing for interviews. She also started getting connected on LinkedIn with professionals from her dream company. Very soon, one of her LinkedIn connections referred her to his dream company, and it turned out that it was one of Shruti's dream company that she always wanted to join. Shruti was not just able to crack the interview but also secured a package with a 40% salary hike. Upon getting the offer letter, she resigned from her current company finally. Gauri too was appearing for several interviews. She finally got selected by two IT companies. She selected one and joined. It finally took 3 months for Shruti and Gauri to enhance their careers and land their dream jobs. The final step to reinventing your career in 3 months is to re establish yourself in the new environment. What had happened in our past should not repeat itself. Gauri came out of her matrimonial home where she was facing domestic abuse. She started living in a rented apartment and finally filed for divorce. Since then, she has only been climbing up the corporate ladder. She keeps upskilling herself so that she remains up to date in the market. Shruti finished her notice period and joined the new company. Upon joining the new company, she established boundaries which were not to be violated. The tasks that she got to do were always aligned with her job role. She has work life balance and the company promotes the well being of its employees. Now that she gets her salary regularly, she has also started saving for her future. If you are serious about your career and need to kickstart your job search process, then grab the Breakthrough Resume course from the link given in the description box below. Again, it's a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. So far, we have discussed 5 steps to reinvent your career in 3 months. I understand that transforming your career could be frustrating and long, which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell because I have some awesome videos lined up for you. If you want to know more about how to transition your career, then watch this video next. Gauri, my student who I spoke about all along this video, followed the exact same process. Thank you for watching this training and I will see you in this one next. Bye-bye.